Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you therefore crochet cushions cover ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is weavers. So viewers, my first idea is crochet cushions can instantly make your living room, bedrooms or reading corner look warm and inviting. They add color, texture and a personal handmade touch to any space. The first idea is a classic rainy square cushion. This timeless design uses colorful square joined together to create a bright and cheerful cushions cover. The second idea is a flower cushions design. Crochet flower is the center or all over the cushions, create a soft and elegant look that is perfect for any room. A heart-shaped cushion is another lovely option. It is ideal for kids and add a sweet decoration touch to your sofa or bed. And friends, weavers, my next idea is weavers. Sunflower crochet cushions are very popular. They bold yellow pattern and texture center make these cushions eye-catching and cheerful. Marina cushions are perfect for how large details and artist patterns, multiply colors and circle motif create a stunning decorative effect. For modern tarot, try and minimalist crochet cushion is nature shades like white, gray or cream. These designs look clean and sophisticated. And friends, Texture stitches, cushions such as bubble puff or popcorn stitches add width and softness while creating unique patterns. Animal themed cushions are worn in children's room. Designs like bear, cats, owl, and rabbit make the space playful and cozy. And the weavers. Next area is weavers. Rainbow crochet cushions bring bright and happy color to nursery and family room. Boho style cushions with texture and fairies create a trendy and relaxed look. Patchwork cushions cover are a great way to use leftover yarn, combine different motifs and color to create one of a kind design. And the weavers. Friends. Weavers. So I hope you enjoy my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz, viewers.